Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and taking care of yourself. So children, today we are going to start part 3 of lesson number 2, Social Studies, Food for Us for class 2. Okay, so yes, before starting part 3, let us discuss what we have learned in the part 1 and part 2. Yes, in the part 1, we have learned about the bodybuilding food, the food which helps us in growth. So that type of food is called as what? Bodybuilding food. And next, energy giving food, like the food which we are eating and which gives us energy. That type of food is called as what? Energy giving food. And yes, the protective food. Protective food means what? The food which we are eating which protects us from diseases. That type of food is called as what? Protective food. And balanced diet is nothing but the amount of food which we will eat daily. That is called as what? A balanced diet. And meals we eat. Yes, we eat 3 types of meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, so these are the 3 important meals which we will eat daily. Anytime if you just skip one type of meal, your body will react. Your body will not work properly. You will feel laziness, you will feel sleepy, you will not have energy to work. So it is compulsory for our body to eat 3 types of meal every day. That is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Apart from this, if you are still feeling hungry, you can have snacks also. Okay. So today in the part 3, we will learn about the table manners. Table manners, as the name itself says, yes, everyone has a dining table. And why do we use that dining table? That dining table is used for us to, with the family, we will sit and we'll eat either breakfast, either lunch or either dinner. So for that, for eating our meal, we have what? Dining table, dining room. So in that dining room, we have dining table, and in the dining table, we all family members, we will sit and eat the food. But this consists of some manners. It is not like that कभी भी आप डाइनिंग टेबल के ऊपर बैठ जाओ या आप होमवर्क कर लो उसके ऊपर या कुछ भी कर लो या कभी भी बैठो, you will just mess it over. कोई भी चीज को ऐसे ही उठा दो, डाइनिंग टेबल पे फेंक दो. There are few manners. Okay, not only at home, but अगर आप कभी किसी और के घर पे जाएंगे और वहाँ पे आप डिनर या लंच करेंगे डाइनिंग टेबल के ऊपर, so you should have that manners so that the person who is sitting beside you, who is watching you, they should not feel ugly. Okay, so there are few table manners that is discussed. We often eat together. You should follow manners at the dining table. So yes, we all will eat together. Our family members, we all sit together and we will eat. So while sitting, while everyone are with us, you should follow few table manners. What is first one? Wash your hands and mouth before and after eating. So first you should wash your hands as well as your mouth before and after eating. खाना खाने से पहला और खाना खाने के बाद. खाना खाने से पहले भी आपको अपने हाथ और मुंह धोने चाहिए और खाना खाने के बाद भी आपको अपने हाथ और मुंह धोने चाहिए. Next, use your own plate and glass to eat and drink. So as you are grown up, you should eat in your own plate. It's not like that कि एक ही plate में आप सब जने share करो. Yes, in a friends, we will share. Okay, we will share with our parents also. But if you're going out and some strange persons, you are having lunch or dinner with some strange person, so with that you cannot share. Okay, so you should have your own plate. You should have your own glass with which you can eat and you can drink. Next, sit up straight. Do not rest your elbow on the table. So first thing, you should sit straight. Okay, few people have a habit. Now this is a table. They have a habit. They keep their hands like this and they sit like this. Okay, the elbow they keep like this and they sit like this, or they think something else. They sit like this, that. That is also a wrong thing. You should not keep your elbow on the table. You should sit straight and your hands must be on your laps. Next, do not play with your spoon. Yes. Okay, जब तक खाना नहीं आता है, प्लेट है, प्लेट्स पे स्पून है, So children have a habit to take the spoon और उससे हम ढोल बजाना शुरू करते हैं. Okay, we'll play, we'll see something else like that. So you should not do that thing. Spoons को नहीं उठाना चाहिए and you should not play with the spoon. Wait till the time you'll get your lunch or your dinner. When someone serves you, say thank you. Okay, your mother serves, okay, your sister serves, you're sitting and eating, or any waiter from the outside. If you're going in a hotel, so the waiter, they will serve you. Okay, so they'll come, they'll serve you something. So when they'll serve, you should say that thank you. Afterwards आपको क्या बोलना चाहिए उन्हें? Thank you. ये नहीं कि वो खाना आके रख दिया और आप फटाफट खाना शुरू हो जाओ. Okay, it's not like that. Some manners are there that will look good. It satisfies to you, it satisfies even to the person who is serving you. So if anyone is serving you, you should say what? Thank you. Wait for everyone to be served before eating. So next is what? वेटर आया, आपके प्लेट में खाना रख दिया, बट आपके साथ के और 4 फैमिली मेंबर्स है, वो लोगों को अभी खाना सर्व करना है. सो आपके प्लेट में उसने पहला खाना सर्व कर दिया. इसका ये मतलब ये कि जैसा आपकी प्लेट में खाना आ गया, आप इमीडिएटली उसे खाना शुरू कर दो. यू शुड वेट टिल द टाइम योर फैमिली मेंबर गेट द फूड. टिल द टाइम उनके प्लेट में कुछ नहीं आ जाए, तब तक आपको वेट करना चाहिए. जब आप देख लो कि हाँ सबके प्लेट में खाना आ चुका है, तो सब जने एक साथ इकट्ठे होकर खाना शुरू करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आपकी प्लेट में आ गया और दूसरे वाले की प्लेट में कुछ भी नहीं है और आप खाना शुरू कर दो और दूसरा वाला बस ऐसे ही वेट करता जाए, आपको देखते रहे. ओके, सो यू शुड वेट टिल द टाइम ईच मेंबर everyone to be served. Take as much food as you can eat. आपका टेस्टी खाना हो, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप बस उसे अपनी प्लेट पूरी भर लो, इतनी सारी प्लेट भर लो. यूजुअली यू कैन सी ना फ्यू पीपल हैव अ हैबिट, पेट में भले ही जगह ना हो पर पूरी प्लेट में आपको कोई जगह नहीं मिलेगी, उन्हें पूरा खाना वो एक ही प्लेट में सब डाल लेंगे. एंड उसके बाद क्या होता है, उनसे खाया नहीं जाता है, फिर वो फेंक देते हैं. सो इससे खाना क्या होता है, वेस्ट हो जाता है. ओके, दे आर नथिंग, दे आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग द फूड. सो यू शुड नॉट डू दैट. आप एक बार ले लिया, आपका पेट नहीं भरा, आप दोबारा फिर ले सकते हैं उनसे. दोबारा भी आपका पेट नहीं भरा, आप तीसरी बार उनसे फिर ले सकते हैं. बट इससे क्या है, खाना वेस्ट नहीं होगा. एकदम आप पूरा प्लेट में भर लिया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट विल नॉट गुड, इट विल जस्ट मेस अप. समझ में नहीं आएगा कि दाल किधर है, सब्जी किधर है, चावल किधर है, कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा. सो इट विल जस्ट लुक लाइक इट्स सो मेसी. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, फिर उसके बाद आपको खाने का दिल नहीं होगा, तो आप वो खाना पूरा डस्टबिन में फेंक देते हैं. इससे क्या होता है, खाना वेस्ट हो जाता है. ओके, सो just take that much food how much you can eat. Keep your mouth closed while chewing. Yes, few people have a habit when they eat something, आवाज करके मुंह खोल के वो लोग चबाते हैं. You should not do like that. So you should keep your mouth closed while chewing. Do not speak with food in your mouth. What happens? So when you are eating, you have a bite in your mouth. So while eating, you should not speak. क्या होता है, उससे क्या होता है, जो खाना है वो आपके थ्रोट में अटक जाता है, आपके गले में अटक जाता है, फिर उससे आपको क्या सांस लेने में भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई जैसे कि जब आप खाना खाते हो आपको बात नहीं करना चाहिए. ईट स्मॉल बिट्स ऑफ फूड, च्यू इट वेल मेनी टाइम्स. सो इतने बड़े बड़े चावल, इतने बड़े बड़े रोटी चपाती की बाइट्स आपको पूरा भर के मुंह में नहीं डालना चाहिए. यू शुड हैव टेक अ स्मॉल बाइट of a rice and even a small piece of chapati that you should eat, and you should chew it a number of times. Okay, yes. Say please and may I when you want something. If you want something, वो सब्जी वहाँ पे है, वो पानी वहाँ पे है, जग वहाँ पे है और आपको कुछ चाहिए. So mama please can you give me a glass of water, or mama please can you pass chapati. So use may I or please if you want something. Eat enough but do not overeat. Yes, we have a habit, जब हमारा फेवरेट खाना होता है तो हम उसे ओवर ईट कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज वो सबर होता ही नहीं है, बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स फिर हम पछताते भी हैं. सो दैट्स वाई चाहे वो आपका फेवरेट फूड हो या आपका फेवरेट ना भी हो, यू शुड नॉट ओवर ईट. यू शुड ईट बट यू शुड नॉट ओवर ईट. डू नॉट टेक फ्रॉम अदर्स प्लेट. Yes, but when you're sitting with the friends, It's quite normal that we'll take from the other plates, other friends plates, and we will eat. But you just need to see कि आपके आसपास और भी कोई strangers है. So what happens, आपके भले ही आप अपनी friend के plate से ले रहे हो, but जब कोई stranger आपको ऐसे देखता है, so they will not feel happy. They feel like, oh, what type of people they are, what type of boy you are, what type of a girl you are. Okay, so that will not look good. So when you are outside, and when, or if any stranger is sitting beside you or just next to your table, you should see that you should not eat from the other's table, other's plate, either whether it is your mother, whether it is your father, whether it is your friend. Okay, so I hope you understood the table manners. And with this we have completed our lesson. Yes, in this table manners, I think we have, yes, we have done a seminar also in our school. If I have that video, I'll send you that video. So yeah, so but you watch this video, you understand it, read the lesson, go through the reading, so that you can improve your reading skills also. And with this, children, we have completed our lesson number 2. Few objective bits as well as question answers are left, which I'll give you as soon as possible. Okay, so till the time, children, go through the reading, understand the lesson, understand this table manners, because it is very useful for you. Okay, every day till the time we live, it is very important that you should know table manners. Okay, so we'll be back with a new video. I'll give you the notes till the time. Children, take care. Goodbye.